Yo, what's up guys? This is Eric and I'm back with another YouTube video. So basically today's video I'm just going to be talking about one simple way that you can make literally any room look better. And that's with these things. And if you don't know what they are, these are basically like LED light strips that can change color with a remote, and they can, as I said before, make any room look better. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So in the box we got the LED light strip itself right here. Just be careful that you don't mess it up. You got the remote that you can basically control which color you want the light strip to change to. And you got this and the power brick, which is basically going to be like the power source which the LED light strip will get its power from. So yeah. Basically right now I'm just testing out to see if the LED light strip works. So as you can see, I have it hooked up to the power source and it's feeding into the light strip, and as you can see it's properly working. So as you guys can see, I've changed my location, and that's because I'm installing the LED light strip in my bedroom. Basically along this my desk with my computer on it. I'm just gonna install the LED light strip along the back side of it, just like you see all those YouTubers online with their cool gaming setups. So yeah, let's get into the installation and see how it looks after. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is my desk before I put the LED light strip. And this is after. So yeah, as you guys can see behind me, my desk, in my opinion at least, looks way better with this LED light strip with it on. So as I said before, it's just an easy and pretty cheap way to make like any piece of furniture or any spot in a house look much better with just this one simple fix. And like, if you want to go all out, you could add this like underneath the kitchen cabinets of your kitchen. That would help add like a nice cool effect to that. And also you could also add it like underneath your bed or something, so when like you walk into your room at night it looks cool. And just one note, I originally tried installing this on the bottom of my couch to try and give it that like movie theater vibe when you walk in, but that didn't end too well because the bottom of the couch wasn't very even, and it was like with fabric, and as you guys probably know, but I wasn't thinking, the 3M adhesive on the back of the LED light strip doesn't adhere very well to that. So you just want to find like a flat, solid surface to adhere the LED light strips. So if you guys like this video, just be sure to like, share, and subscribe. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.